Evening mates, Nickaway here. I'm on the south side of Billy Sanford Drive, right down the beach, getting near the sticks going onto the path. Thought we'd move a bit. We've got a bit of weed, water clarity, it's about a 6, but there's a lot of weed in this first gut. Let me look at your tides. Got a high tide at 10:51 this evening, and we've got a wind from the northwest, currently blowing from the northwest, but it's going to increase. That wind they're predicting up to like 20 plus miles an hour tomorrow, and currently I'm going to say it's about 10 miles an hour. Anyhow, here's a bit of drone footage we got.
Let me go, there's no doubt. Gotta get out of this small town. You took my heart from me, now you're everywhere I see. Set me free, let me fly, let me find new kinds of highs. We're just wasting here, waiting for another year. We both know the score, we've been here once before. So many words unspoken, you took my heart, it's already broken. You don't have to wait, I can take the pain. I will surrender, let me go on a new adventure. It's my time, watch me build another life. Find another space, explore the world and find my place. Hope you find some peace of mind, hope the night was worth your time. Threw my heart away, we won't see another day. We both know the score, we've been here once before. So many words unspoken, you took my heart, it's already broken. You don't have to wait, I can take the pain. I will surrender, let me go. It's a new adventure. On a new adventure. Adventure.
This is Nickaway from Breakaway with your best and beach report.